where dreams and learning go hand in hand. Nirupama, our pride, our place. We grow with joy in your embrace. Nirupama, our guiding light. You teach us truth. You lead us right. With books and love, we soar so high, like birds that chase the open sky. Laughter echoes through the green, where minds are sharp and hearts are keen. With every lesson, every friend, we build our strength, we learn